What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be refactoring Tetris. As you can see right here, here's Tetris. This is what we will be refactoring, and I already noticed an error. As you can see, this. it's kind of funky, but it's kind of funny at the same time. But it's not meant to be in the game, so we are just going to have to remove such features. Look at this one. This one's crazy. Look at that. You can do stuff like this with it. It just looks so odd. Okay. I'll let myself lose. And let's say, first of all, gonna make these constants. Constant, constant, constant. Focus block. Okay. Falling block. Score is obviously score. Grid is grid. That one's pretty self-explanatory. Grid, I'll just name this screen. Oh, what's up, Green Sky God? Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. We do init grid. We set the score to 0, and we push a block. Set the frame rate to 6. Text align center console.log grid. I'm going to take out that console.log. Real quickly, I'm going to say, where is it? Key press. Down arrow. Don't want to be able to rotate -1. So we're just going to be able to do up arrow, left arrow, right arrow for now. So let's just Java doc this one real quick. Can I not? Ah, what happened to it? It did it once. Handle input. Okay, that's cool. We have init grid. Okay, init grid. What does this do? What do we do here? Create empty grid. That's what we do there. We handle the input. Oh goodness. Continue Y, all this. Okay. Let's see. New row. New row is going to, let's see. Here, okay. What can we comment? Left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, those are pretty self-explanatory. We have tile grid, 2D array, creating or assembling 2D array. I don't think I spelled assembling correctly. Let's just check this. I did. That's surprising. Now we initialize it with a an empty tile. Let's just say empty tile. There we go. Now what we want to do, keyboard input is fine. Let's say, oh yeah, okay, so right here we have rotate, move, everything is fine. Now check completed. What does this do? Checks for a fully occupied row. If a, or hang on. What do you call them? It makes for you know, rows. Check completed is going to clear rows, complete a row. Check for completed rows and shift yes. Check for completed rows, that's essentially what it's doing. Var rows, we say rows equals, oh goodness, what do we do here? What does map mean? JavaScript array map. Okay. Okay, we have map x times 2. Oh, okay, that's pretty simple. So column index, that's good. Var rows. Okay. So now we have, you know what? This would be much easier if we didn't go off of blocks. We went off of like tiles almost. I mean, not tiles. If we didn't go off of tiles and went by rows, I feel like it'd be easier. But everything is already set up. And everything already works. So I don't know if I should really invest into changing it to rows when I'm not even sure if it's gonna work. Swap rows with columns. Let's say x. Let's kind of draw something out for them. Goes to, I'm gonna have to get more of these. Goes to, let's see, x. Let's do a space there. Essentially we are just 3, 4, 5. Yep. There. Oh, there. That's essentially what we're doing. Swap rows with columns. There we go. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Loop through each row. Okay. If any tile is unoccupied, skip to the next row. Skip to the next row. There. Okay. All tiles in row are occupied. I'd like to move this here. No, okay, that didn't work. There we go. Shift the rows. Shift the rows. Yeah, okay. Don't loop anymore. Should be pretty simple now. We have a push block. Creates new random falling block. There we go. So that's what we do. When we shift rows, we do something also. Let's see. What do we do when we shift the rows? We move all. Okay, we first delete row index, and then we shift all above rows down by 1. There we go. Pretty good. Swap the rows with the columns. That's what we do first. Oh wait, didn't mean to cut it. Okay. There. Delete that. Okay, so that's what we're doing there. And now we have loop through all rows. Let's actually make this a nicer comment. There. loop through all rows, top to bottom. Here we exchange yeah, we are going from top to bottom, correct? I think we are. I is greater than 0. We say a equals the one below it. I think we are going from bottom to top. Bottom to top. There we go. Now we have it set at index, and we say this one equals the one below. Wait a minute. Starting from index to top. Yeah, okay. Exchange current row for the row above. There we go. Set the set the correct, no, update the y values. There we go. Nice. Shift rows, push a new row. And what we say here is set the grid back to swapping, yes, okay. Rows with columns. Rows with columns. This time it's actually columns with rows. Columns. There we go. Let's delete this and change this to a double. And real quick, we are gonna draw the same diagram. X. This is going to be. There we go. That should be good. Now we have X, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop. No. There we go. Now we need to delete a couple of these rows. This goes to. Okay, I did a double hyphen. This goes to X, need a space, X, 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 oh, in there, X, 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 there we go. That should accurately represent the this right here. Check completed. If there is another row to be shifted. Yes, okay. Another row complete. Another complete row. There we go. New row. This one is also self-explanatory. Creates a new row. There we go. At index. There. Returning row. Loop through row. Yeah, okay. That should be good for that. Okay, cool. So we got all that documented fairly well. Every other frame we say update true. Move. Don't move. Okay. Why did I name it paint? I should have named it draw. Anyways, cool. Let's say, don't move. Move or don't move. Increment score. What we do now is draw grid. Move, draw and move, but draw. There we go. Draw grid. Pretty easy. Draw score. There. Okay. A couple of things I want to do is say, let's say, draw all. Function draw all. And we paste all of that in. Now this draws the focus block grid and score. Y off less than 1. Can I do like less than 0? Okay, let's see. Let's get the tallest possible stack with the least amount of things. Okay, yeah, it does have to be less than 1. Well, how do I say this? Focus block dot too high. Okay, this can be check check the what's it called? You check their check top. So if we do function check top, this will check if the game is over. Let me do a shift tab. There we go. Okay. So that's good. Oh wait, okay. Function, what is its name? I don't think I'm gonna name it whatever I did name it. Handle focus block. This is just something we need to move into here. Let me do this also within draw. Oh, the draw method is up here. Update here. There we go. Nice. Paste this. We need to tab this out. That'd be good. Player or block may no longer move. There we go. No loop. Too high, we say. If it's too high, then we end the game. So we draw it. Draw and move. Check completed. Check for rows. For complete rows. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna say draw and move for now because these already have their documentation. So I think that's good for the sketch.js. Okay, what happened? Okay, there. Let's see. Don't move. Oh, do we not do draw all? Yes, we do. Draw grid. We say draw grid. Do I need handle focus block to be above that? This no longer draws focus block. This one solely draws the grid and the score. Handle. So yeah, the focus block is just not move and move. Move and draw. So where's paint? Oh, there. So we say paint every single time. Let's try this. Console.log painted. So we're painting. That's fine. Let's go back up here. Let's try this again. Okay, that doesn't seem to be making a difference. Though I truly think draw all needs to be there. Draws the grid and the score. So this is working. This is fine. Focus block dot draw. But those are tiles, right? Okay. It's painting. Paint with true. So with a block, we must let's do console.log grid X, grid Y. There we go. So those all seem to be nice numbers for the most part. Okay, so okay, let's do convert to Cartesian. I'm actually going to make this a bigger comment. Okay. And when we move, it moves downward and it paints with true. I wonder why it paints with true. Do we truly need a true? So what would happen if we just said paint? Because I don't truly understand equals paint. Oh, I guess when we paint it, it determines, it has to determine if it's occupied or if it's off the screen, and if it isn't, then we don't paint. So if it's grounded, then we don't move. Sheesh, I'm like falling asleep while doing this. I need more rest. This dot size, this dot tiles, this dot paint. So it was just working earlier. Let's go back to my JavaScript, or my code, which is GitHub Killinator. Oh wait, no, I messed that up. This should be it. Let's go to RAGAD and let's look up Tetris. There we go. Index, sketch. Let's look at sketch first. Okay, what are we doing that isn't? So we say okay. This is kind of interesting how this is right there. We loop and we find everything, which is good. We just need their paint function. So it is being called, but we don't actually paint anything. It seems so. Let's see. Grounded, rotate. I guess what we didn't do, I think I accidentally deleted a for loop or something. So let's look at is grounded. Paint is the same thing. So if it's grounded, then we're good. I don't understand where some of this is coming from. What am I saying at this point? Oh my gosh. It's grounded. This dot paint false. We rotate. We have a move. We have an init offset. Create tiles. So this would be where? Why is it not? Why would it not rotate? I don't understand. Okay, where are we doing the physical painting? Where are we going through the grid and being like, Hey, we should paint all these. This dot tiles dot length dot occupied equals paint. And then maybe do we want to, how do we do that? Okay, we have the tiles dot length. My bad. I guess we would say this dot, oh wait, no, this is supposed to be there. This dot tiles of I dot draw. I think that's what we were missing. Move, draw, there we go. Nice. Okay, let's see. So, right now, it is problematic. We have a problem here, as you can see. It draws it before we are able to Oh, you know what I think it is? Okay, what I think it is fill let's see. Nope. Well, that's a bummer. Tile. Say console.log flag. Nothing, it's just simply not being called for some reason. What are we not calling then? We call draw all, handle focus block, draw all, handle focus block, push block, shift rows. Doesn't seem as though we don't have anything against, whoa, what am I saying anymore? Okay. We have focus block dot update, move and draw, move and draw. We don't go through many for loops. We just kind of okay. What I think happens, what program are you using to code? Is it Notepad? It's called Atom. It's called Atom IO. It's a nice IDE. I enjoy it. So what I think is happening is that we say check completed, push block, draw and move. But I think what happens is it just simply sets grid such and such dot occupied equal to paint. So let's see. Console.log grid x and then grid y. Yeah. There we go. Oh wait, dot occupied. Okay. So I'd like to draw those. Cool. That's simple. Draw falling piece. I don't know what happened to that, but anyways, we will now comment this or dock this. Okay, shape the type of block. This one is size. So size, let's look at this dot size. Okay. So dimension of shape. Tiles, we say create tiles is initialize block. Offsets from the top left. Let me exit that. Oh. And it offset. Let's do Control Shift F, X off. X offset. Find all, replace all. Let's do Y offset. Ah, I messed it up. Find all, replace all. Okay. Y, it needs to be X offset. I spelled it wrong. There, offset, find all, replace all. There we go. Now, what we need to do is see what update's all about. Move tile if move equals true. Paints tiles. Draws all tiles which make up the piece, the block. Okay. Loop through tiles. That makes sense. Set tiles are occupied. Let's say watch out for edge cases. That serves a double purpose. Edge case as in you're off the side when you try and rotate it, and edge case is in like what if something happens and we have an error, then we know that we're watching out for edge cases. Goodness, I need sleep. Okay. Let's do is grounded. If the player is still able to control the piece, return if the player is still able to control the piece. This step paint equals false. Draw but don't move. Check boundaries. Only if they may move, then you may move. Otherwise, return false. Rotate. Here we go. This is a fun one. Rotate the piece. That was easy. No, okay. Draw but don't move. Returning array. Okay, loops equals dir. What is dir? Direction. Okay. Up. Oh goodness. Arrow versus down arrow. Cool. Nice. So we need to do this loop amount of times. So what we have here is okay. Okay, this is confusing. Okay. Loop through tiles. I understand that. I can't remember why this works. I think it just matches the pattern for rotating. Loops tile. Say ny is equal to so actual x, actual y, calculate calculate rotate based upon offset. Let's do this. Delta x, delta y. Okay, here we calculate the distance required to move. Distance to move required by rotate. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Set tiles array. Move, okay. Attempt to move a block. Attempts to move a block. Check boundaries, move tiles. This is update offsets. There you go. Moves block initially to align with offset. There we go. Okay. We say, let's rename this. Returning array. So create tiles. Let me do this real quick. There, cool. Initializes tiles array to fit a shape. Okay. Find side length. So, I don't know how long I was quiet for just then. It could have been for a really long time, but I don't remember. So what are we doing in this loop here? What are we doing here? We're saying for var I equals 0, I is less than t dot length, I plus plus. T of I is a new tile. I mod size. Oh, okay. So we just we're doing this. Okay. Var x off equals I mod this dot size. Var y off equals math.floor I over this dot size. Var lit equals this. Ooh, but we change it. So if it equals that, then we're good. But if it doesn't equal, then not good. I don't know why I did it like this. I must have been really tired again. Let's do x off, y off, lit. Push new tile. And then we return t. Okay, so that should be good for block. Block.js. Let's look at tile.js. Looking good. This is simple. May move. Return whether a tile may move to another tile. Empty tiles can't move. So let's do this. Okay, I think it is gonna need to stay here. Destination X. Let's do the same for Y. Though it's going to, really... Okay, destination Y. Whoa, there. These are some long lines of code. Or, type of grid. Okay, let's keep it as dx dy. Okay, so return false. If the destination is out of bounds, restrict movement. There we go. Let's try this now. Return all of these. Let's wrap this whole thing in parentheses. So this first one is what is this first one? Double check destination is in bounds. Okay. Be sure destination is not already occupied. There we go. So that's how that one works. Move is execute a movement. Now, yeah, we just kind of add X and Y. Now draw. Simple, we draw it. Yeah, should be good. Cool. Let's try it. Whoa! Can now read property at 48. So this is odd, yo. What did I break? So, okay, wait. So this updates focus block. Increments score. Okay, I think what we can do is just kind of say there, and then we'll just say dot draw on this. Draw, nice. There we go. Nice. Should work. Let me just, I'd like to double check on the, okay, I'm really bad at this game though. Okay, cool. Okay. Heck. Wow, I'm really bad at this. Okay. Ah. Okay. Let's do this. There you go. This will be a good piece. Good piece. Nice. Nice piece. Fall into place. Nice piece. Okay. Let's allow this one to fall into place. Ah, yes. Okay. Come on. Come on. Nice. Okay. There. Let's get this good piece. This one goes here. Good piece. Okay. Good piece. Nice. Okay. There, that was a bad piece, actually. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm done then. Oh, wow. Okay. There's no way I'm digging myself out of this one. Let's check. Yeah, okay. I made another mistake. Why not do them all, right? Okay. Yeah. The most I can get is 230, I guess. But yeah. That's about all. If you have enjoyed, tune in Monday. We will be refactoring yet another game. Oh wait, did I accidentally edit something? I hope it still works after editing what I edited. Apparently edited. I don't know if I did, actually. Let's get this one. Yes. It works. Alright, I'll see you guys Monday for the next refactoring. Let's see what we'll be refactoring, actually. I'd like to check up on that. If we go to my channel and we go to videos, we scroll down, we have Snake. Awesome. That'll be a quick one, I hope. I don't know, we'll see. Should be nice to explain though. But yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. Peace, peace.